One day, as I wandered through distant lands, I saw someone holding a small device in their hand, a device no larger than a palm. It looked simple in design, but what it could do was nothing short of magical. That small device, despite its modest size, was a powerful tool. It could detect hidden treasures deep beneath the earth, underground voids, and even groundwater. The person moved with confidence, searching for the invisible and uncovering what lay hidden to the naked eye. From that day on, a dream began to grow inside me. I wanted that device. I wanted that power in my hands, but it was out of reach. Over time, I started to research and study. I began to understand how that device worked, uncovering the technology behind its magical capabilities. It wasn't enough to recreate what I saw. I decided to innovate, to make the dream even more tangible and effective. We rebuilt the device, but this time it became smarter and more powerful. We added all the latest advancements in technology, a tool that doesn't just search for treasures, but saves researchers time and money, opening up entirely new worlds. It didn't stop there. We integrated every modern scientific breakthrough into it, transforming this device into a long-range tool that can penetrate the depths of the Earth with ease and precision. Today, the dream has become a reality. Our new device not only reveals what is hidden, but helps you uncover what you once thought was impossible. We have redefined discovery, giving the world a tool that doesn't just search, but unlocks the secrets of the Earth in your hands.